Beware of the 5% property manager. How many of you remember the age-old adage, you get what you pay for? Perhaps you also remember the statement, if it looks too good to be true, then it probably isn't. These statements are still valid today, especially when it comes to someone who will manage as valuable an asset as your rental investment property. It seems that today there are suddenly more property managers than ever before. And please don't misunderstand me. There are still plenty of good, honest, and competent property managers in the marketplace, but there are also many more that are less than competent and honest. Here in the Fort Myers, Cape Coral area of Southwest Florida, real estate is a big business, and property management and rental property is a close second. In managing rental property, there can be various and assorted costs and fees charged by companies that manage such properties. Be sure to ask about any and all fees prior to engaging the services of a property manager. Fees vary from one company to the other. There are 3 primary fees that most companies charge. Number 1, it's called the leasing fee. This is for marketing the property, screening and placing a tenant for you. Number 2 is the management fee. This is usually a percentage of the rental price. This fee is charged for the ongoing business of managing both the property and the relationship with the tenant or tenants. Number 3, the renewal fee. This fee can vary from one property manager to the next. The fee is charged at the renewal of an existing tenant and covers the cost of market analysis of the rental prices in the area of the property, a full inspection of the property, and can also encompass recertifying the tenant is still able to continue to keep up their side of the rental contract. It's important to note that these fees can be flexible depending on the number of properties in an owner's portfolio. One hidden fee that is sometimes charged is a markup on labor and materials involved in the maintenance issues at the property. Be sure to ask about this, since one major maintenance problem, such as an air conditioner or a hot water tank, can easily equal several or more percentage points of management fees. There is one situation that an owner described to me that involved a $1,500 hot water heater replacement. The approximate cost of having a licensed plumber install a hot water heater in the Fort Myers area is about $850. The difference in the 2 figures is the profit for the property manager. If we brought in the example of the hot water heater, in this case, the total management cost would be $1,902. If you express that figure as a percentage of the management cost, the management fees increase from 8% to over 13%. Although this is one example, it's always a good idea to be able to access all of the invoices and receipts charged to the maintenance of your property. This way you can track all the costs and also have your tax professional deduct the appropriate expenses from the income of the property. At All County Medallion Property Management, we supply clients with an online internet portal. This allows them to track costs relating to their property. All receipts for maintenance performed on their properties are uploaded to the portal so that clients can track their costs. Very important to have an idea of your cost, to be able to itemize them, and be able to supply your accountant or tax professional with all of these facts and figures. Thanks for watching. Sean Kelly, All County Medallion Property Management.